Where are we going?
Kayaking.
Yeah!
My program API took us to Valparaiso to go kayaking, and it was so fun. So basically, the place that we went kayaking with works with people who have disabilities, and they'll like have the people with disabilities kayaking and being involved in the community and in their shop more, and that was really cool. So what we did was we got into the ocean with our kayaks, learned the basic stroking moves, and then we just kayaked, and we talked about sea lions and looked at Valparaiso from the ocean. It was so beautiful. My host family and I ended up going to the outside flea market, which is called a feria, and it was so fun. So basically, outside flea markets have anything that your heart desires. They have cooking supplies, house supplies, hair things, dog toys, regular toys, keychains, jewelry, you name it. And it's so beautiful. My favorite part of the whole thing is how the people are actually willing to bargain with you or just sit and have a conversation with you, because they'll be there all day and they don't mind having a conversation with one of their customers, because in a lot of cases they'll get to know you as a person, and I really appreciate that. On Wednesdays, in the same area, there's a fruit and vegetable feria. So it's in the same place, but instead of selling a variety of things, they just focus on selling foods. And they have, their presentation is just, it's incredible. They really take time putting things out so it looks pretty and makes you want to buy the things. And best of all the fruit and the vegetables are fresh. When I go to my farmers markets in the States, the food is not as affordable and it's a lot more rotten looking. I have never seen one rotten looking fruit or vegetable in the feria, because everyone keeps their things on point at all times. And it's impressive. It's really impressive. My host family and I ended up going to a restaurant called J. Cruz. It had a really interesting aesthetic. So it had people writing on the walls, because it's a part of what their business does. In the first place that they had their business in, people would write on the tables. But ever since they moved, they just told the people to write on the walls, and it really fits in with their aesthetic. They have a lot of collectible items too, it kind of looked like. So they'll put the collectibles on the walls and on the windowsills, and everything just goes together so well. Every object has its own personality and is different, but it still fits with the common theme, if that makes sense. And then the best dish ever was brought out, the choriana. A choriana is a big plate of fries with meat and onions, and every once in a while they'll put a fried egg on top, and it's so delicious. These meals were made to be shared with people, so there's no way you could finish one by yourself. So my program ended up going to the botanical gardens, which is so beautiful. And on the way there, we saw the cutest puppy ever. Ugh. But that day we were learning circus tricks, and I was learning how to juggle. But I'm not just a professional yet.